Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to create a PDF file with your C# application. So for that we are going to need a third-party DLL, and I will show you how to download that DLL, which is a open source DLL, so that's free to download and use. So let's first see how can we download that DLL, and in the later part of the video I will show you how to use that DLL to create a PDF file. So go to your browser and write here itextsharp in your search, and the first link you will see is itextsharp in the sourceforge.net projects. So its link is showing free software downloads at SourceForge, and when you click this link you will reach to the itextsharp download zip. So I will just download this zip file, and it takes some seconds to download. In a meanwhile I will return to my project, and I will go to the solution explorer of my project, and I will select my project name, and I will right click it, and I will click open folder in Windows Explorer. So what it will do is it will open a project folder in which your project is located. Okay, and let's see if the download is complete or not. No, it's still downloading. So this itext PDF which we are going to generate today, we can also use it to make reports also. So our file is downloaded. I will open it, and it contains some zip files. Okay, so let's see which zip file we are going to need. So what I will do is I will open this zip file, first zip file, which is itextsharp DLL core. Double click it, and what I will do is I will just select these both two files, XML and DLL file, and I will drag and drop into my project folder. Okay, wherever my solution is there for the project. So now it's there, and I will close it, and I will once again open the second file and see if it contains any DLL files or not. Yes, so I will select this file also and drag and drop into my project also. And third, I will select this DLL also and drag and drop into my project. So I have taken 3 DLL files, and I have placed them into my project folder where my project is located. And now I will minimize this all, and now the next step is once again go to your solution explorer, right click it and go to add references, and then go to browse, and it will by default open your project folder. And if it doesn't open your project folder, just choose or browse the DLL file which you have extracted from itextsharp C#. Okay, these 3 files, and I will select OK, and you can see all the 3 DLL files are here. So when you once again go to the solution explorer and go to resources, you can see all these 3 C# file here, C# DLL files here. Okay, now the code part. So for that I will give you a simple example how to generate a simple PDF file with some text in it. So I will take a button from the toolbox and I will change its text as create PDF, and I will double click this button, and in here I will write my code for creating the PDF. But before that we need to add some imports or using namespaces. So add here using itextsharp dot text dot text, and using itextsharp dot text dot PDF. Okay, so these two files we are importing, and just if you don't have this system.io file in your namespaces, then include this also, because this we will use for the file stream. So write these three files or import these three namespaces in your C# code just below your other using namespaces. Once again we will go to the form, just double click it, and in here now we will write the code for generating the PDF. Okay, so in here we will write our code. So just write this code to generate the file. So declare a document doc. So this is a variable name from itext, and give it any variable is equal to new document, and in the bracket write itext dot text dot page size dot letter, and comma 10 comma 10 comma 42 comma 42. Okay, comma 35, sorry. So write this line, and then in the next line write PDF writer, which is a class of your itext sharp, and then write a variable name according to yourself. In my case WRI is equal to PDF writer dot get instance, and in the bracket we will pass this variable here, comma new file stream, and in the bracket once again give the name of your PDF file, whatever you want to give. So I have given my PDF file name is test.pdf, and in this whole name is in double quotes. You can also give some path if you want to give, like C, something like that, but I am generating this PDF file in my project folder where my exe file is there, so I am not providing any paths. It will generate in my project folder, comma file mode dot create bracket and bracket close. Okay, so write this code. In the next line copy this variable, write it here dot open, so this will open your document file, and then in the next line write the content of the PDF file. So in this video we are just learning how to write some paragraph line in your PDF file. So write paragraph, variable name is equal to new paragraph, and in the bracket write whatever you want to write in the paragraph. Okay, and if you want to give some new line comment, so just give this /n, and you can give new line. Okay, and then once again write doc.add, and once again copy this paragraph line here, or paragraph variable into this bracket, doc.add, and in the bracket write this variable name paragraph, and then write doc.close. So this is closing your document. Okay, so write this code to generate a simple PDF, and this PDF will contain this paragraph. Okay, so if you want, you can pause the video and write the code, and once you have done writing the code, we will check our code now. So I am running my program, username and password. Okay, and this is my button. So right now I will show you. I will go to my project, and in my bin folder debug, here there is no PDF file, if you can see. And when I click this create PDF button, just see here a PDF will be generated. So I will click this, and you see a text.pdf is generated here. Okay, and when I open this PDF file, double click it, it contains the content of my paragraph. So this is the first line of the paragraph, this is the second line of the paragraph. So this is a simple PDF file which contains a paragraph. In the future videos, or in the next few videos, I will show you how to create a fully designed PDF report with the help of this itextsharp and C# application. So I will show you how to write the heading, how to give the dates, how to give the title, how to insert images, how to make tables. All this I will show you in the next few videos. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.